just found a woodpecker home in our front yard that fell out of the tree. Perfectly carved in a round shape. That's so cool. You gonna live in there now, Lexi?
What? Yeah, I'll go live in there.
You gonna live in here?
Yep.
Climb on in. It's nice and toasty up in here. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Look how perfect that is. Perfectly made.
This part right here was right there, I think.
Yeah, it had to be. Let's see. Let's see if we can get back together.
That's how it was.
Wow. That is so cool. It must have, when it fell, it must have busted up. That is so cool. That is awesome. And it fell
From up one of the trees.
from all the way up there.
I just realized it. Where did
What?
it fall from anyway?
It had to have fallen from right there.
Where?
That spot right up there. See the branch right there?
Oh yeah. When you guys, but how did it land right here? If it's all the way right there. Yeah, you could tell it's a woodpecker's whole look. The inside's all flat. But how did it land over here? If it's right there.
Trying to get it in, but the sun's gonna mess it up. This is so cool. It fell all the way down.
This was not here. Like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I know. It wasn't here 10 minutes ago.
Like 10 minutes ago, it was not here.
That's a long way down.
Yeah, and Ashley just saw Zach. It's actually.
Look, woodpecker home.
Yeah, it's a woodpecker. He doesn't care.
Grumpy.
He's grumpy.
Grumpy Gus.
That's cool though. I've actually never seen a woodpecker home. Yeah, you can tell it's a woodpecker home. The inside's all flat.
Look at that. 2 Chevrolets in the, well, 2 GM vehicles in the driveway. There's 4. 1 Camaro and 1 Pontiac GTO sitting next to a beautiful Acadia. And next to that is a Chevrolet Avalanche. Did you see the woodpecker?
No.
Its little home? You did not see his little home? It fell on the ground. See his little home? Now he's going to have to find another home to live.
Make a new home. You know how I knows that the bottom's flat? Look, the inside of it's flat.
Yeah.
So you can tell it's a woodpecker.
He's going to come live with you now, Ash.
Good.
What do you mean good? I want a woodpecker living in my home.
Wow,
We have these big, beautiful oaks.
That's so depressing.
Our oaks are humongous.
It's so sad.
So guess what? That just means he will find another oak. We have these big, beautiful oaks in our house. There's several. And that's okay, because he will come and choose another big, beautiful
What's in there?
oak. Probably bugs. See, we have these big, beautiful oaks. He will come and choose another one of our big, beautiful oaks to live in. Or that